what happened?
Last month, sister said she woke up one day and discovered that something close her mouth that she cannot be able to speak again. You see, but years are really nice. She slept and woke up, and as a result of that thing, one side of her face started swelling up. She cannot talk.
Before you came, she couldn't talk.
Yes, sir.
She couldn't talk.
Yes, sir. And the side of her face swelled up, including her mouth. She cannot speak. But she said, while we are praying, and you mentioned that the case of somebody that cannot speak well.
Yeah.
He said the mouth open, she can speak now, and the whole thing has swelled in front of her.
She can speak now. What's your name?
My name is Amenyi.
Wow. Did you understand that? She slept, maybe had an attack and became dumb. And because of that dumbness, her face got swollen. So she came to this place, dumb and swollen face. So yesterday night.
Yes,
but now as you are praying, the tongue. But that case, only on something you know, you know when that case was mentioned, that somebody's tongue under the tongue, that was something that was loose, and that thing was said, and now you can speak.
Yes, sir.
She said yes, sir. Because she was speaking before the instructor. Say I can speak. Say it, I can speak. Say I can speak.
I can speak now.
Wait. Say that the power, I can talk now.
I can talk now.
Say mommy power, I'm a fool.
Mommy power.
She can now speak. The strange attack of the enemy rolled away, and the swollen disappeared. And a woman lays her hand down. Nothing shall make you dumb in the name of Jesus. It is forever dumb. You are free. What happened?
God healed her of 1 year ulcer.
1 year ulcer.
Yes, sir.
Somebody put your hands together for Jesus.
God healed her again of more than 10 years noise on her left ear.
Noise on your left ear for more than 10 years.
Yes, sir. They say after the prayer, the whole noise ceased.
Wow. And that case was mentioned specifically. And now the more than 10 years noise in the ear, healed and run away. Somebody put your hands together for Jesus. Please close and look away. God bless you. What happened? Yes.
God healed her of chest pain since January this year.
Since January this year, chest pain.
Yes, sir.
And now totally
after the prayer, the pain disappeared.
Somebody, she has a really failure, Jesus.
And God, she said that since that she has been having this hotness on her throat.
On the throat region.
Yes, sir. But after your prayers, the whole thing disappeared. And the throat is free.
Somebody fellowship, Masaka, you are totally free.